Today's episode of Your ViewSonic boards are really cool. The ViewSonic whiteboard app that can live on your laptop or computer, it is much more robust than the onboard tools that you have on the physical board itself. I want to highlight them. You can either invite me to download this program for you. I've highlighted it before, or you can now, I've had our network engineers push it out. You should be able to find it on the GSD workspaces for you to download yourself. Okay. Main thing I like about it is if you'll notice right here, since I've opened it on my computer itself and not at my board, I have this toolbar right here that can travel with me wherever I go. Okay, if I click on this cloud right here, that's going to put the whiteboard on my screen full screen. The cloud then turns into a Windows icon, and if I toggle back by clicking on that window, it's going to let me work with whatever's on my screen, and then I can go click on the cloud to go back to my whiteboard. Okay, now when you click on the Windows icon, whatever is on your screen, you can utilize these tools. Okay, so if I want to click on my pen and do some inking, I can do that. Okay, and do that. If I want to draw a shape, do a square. I can draw a square somewhere around a box on a website, on a Google Slides, anywhere, on a PowerPoint, anywhere you're at, on a PFD. Okay, if I want to click on the magic box and go to my tools, and let's throw a timer up on a website, I can do that. There's my timer. Throw it up. Okay. If I'm on a website or anywhere else, Google Slides, and want to click right here, this dot camera to integrate the dot camera, there's my dot camera right there. I can have my dot camera on top of a website. I can be working with my pen. You would have your dot camera, not your webcam like I do. If you need a physical piece of paper, if you need to flip it really quick, you can flip it. Okay. If you want to take a picture, you can take a picture. Okay. If you want to quickly change the size of it, you can change the size of it like this to move it out of the way, or you can spend the time to adjust it manually like this. Okay, love that feature. Also, if you click on the pen, you can ink just on this part right here. Okay, but 9 times out of 10, if you're using this feature, you're probably using your pencil or pen and a piece of paper at your desk along with this website you're using. Okay, last thing I'll show you in today's episode, I went to this website. I really like this information, but I wish I could pull it over to my whiteboard and have more working space. I'm going to click right here where it's at this little icon right here. That's the screenshot tool. You can also record. I'm not going to talk about that. I'm just going to click right here to take a screenshot. Now this one right here will take a full screenshot of everything on the screen. This one will let you draw around any shape. This one will do a rectangle or a square. So I'm just going to click that one. I just want that information right there. It automatically sends you back to your whiteboard because you want to work with this piece right here. And then I can manipulate it, make it bigger, make it smaller, fit it somewhere. Okay, and then I have my inking tools and I can work within that right there. All right, that's a really quick highlight of the cool stuff on your board.